friends, this is Prashant Shinde and welcome you on my YouTube channel 360 Degree Teaching Hub. So basically I recently switched my name of my channel from Quarantine Vlogs India to 360 Degree Teaching Hub because I really want to promote my startup idea through my YouTube channel. So here I am with one concept on subconscious mind. I feel that this concept is belong to your subconscious mind. So yeah, come on. So I have taken 2 glass with filled of 50% water. Okay, the same you have to take. I really want to tell you this concept will help you to resolve your critical problem in your life. It may be financial, it may be your personal, it may be your relationship, it may be your job profile, industry, business, anything. So consider first of all, write down your problem over one note. This is the first note. So I am taking one problem of my health issue, that is my shoulder issue. My problem is I have sorry I am spelling my mistake. I have pain in my shoulder, guys, due to I'll keep here I'm not able to focus, due to ligament breakage. If I am not correct in spelling, please try to understand. I am not good in spell, but I am definitely improve one day. So this is your problem, this is my problem, not your problem. So you have to mention your problem, any problem in your life. Okay, now I am going to press this problem in one glass like this. Okay, so this I can say that this is a glass with a filled of water with having my problem. So this is my problem glass. Okay, I'll keep it right now. I'm using this cellotape. I am just Jugadu person. I like Jugads. As Indian people are Jugads, so I am Jugadu. I am using this cellotape from this pizza box. I am not promoting this, by the way. So I just cut this cellotape in 2 parts so I can press this. And you have to give credit for this Jugadu, guys. Give me a few minutes. Oh, it's cut. Okay, guys. So I have just stick this. By the way, guys, I have learned this technique. This is not my developed technique by me or anyone. I got this technique from Jyoti Bansal ma'am, and she was with me in BMM course. So I learned this concept from Jyoti ma'am. So thanks to Jyoti ma'am to introducing me, and I am implementing. And I am the person who always love to implement what I am learning. I believe in that principle. If you have something knowledge, if you have knowledge, so implement that knowledge. There is no meaning if you are not able to implement your knowledge. So guys, here is the second glass, and I am writing now answer or solution or wish of this question. I will like this. I don't have any pain. I don't have any pain in my shoulder. Okay, this is my solution. And due to proper exercise and nutrition. Okay, this may be Herbalife. Okay, because I am associated with Herbalife. So take any kind of nutrition. I am not promoting only Herbalife. Take a proper nutrition to support your joint issue, your muscle issue. So now I don't have any shoulder issue. So I am pasting this second solution. This is solution, and I am pasting this solution here on this glass. Maybe it will not paste, I guess. So there is some stick is not there. I will try once again. Otherwise, I will just keep it. So okay, guys, here is the solution. So fine. So now I just cut one nimbu. Okay. Sorry if I am not able to pronounce English words. I am not doing any jadoo tona. This is not any jadoo tona, guys. This is a mindset concept. This is subconscious mind concept. Just I am using to have some taste about in water. Nothing else. This is not a jadoo tona. This is not Andhavishwas, something else. So this is a subconscious mind concept only. So I am just putting this limbu's liquid in this my problem. Just consider that I am adding my subconscious mind power okay, subconscious mind activation power in the problem. Okay, and I am adding the same subconscious mind activation power in my solution answer. So guys, with this subconscious mind power, I have a wish. I don't have any pain in my shoulder. So this is my solution. This is my wish, and I am adding my problem. Okay. No. What I will do? Better. You can do anyway, but I am adding my solution in my problem. Okay. I am adding my solution in my problem. So just I am putting. What is my solution? I don't have pain by proper exercise and proper nutrition. Sorry about my handwriting, it's not good, I know, I am not good in handwriting, but try to understand my concept only. So just I am adding this in this problem. Okay. So ultimately what happened? My problem is dissolved with help of solution, with help of my mind, subconscious mind power. So this is the thing. Because of my subconscious mind concept, I have a solution by dissolving my problem. So now the problem is vanished. I feel that when I am drinking this, sorry guys, I love top to bottom always. So this was the top to bottom, I can say. And now I have resolved my problems. I feel that from my bottom of heart, from my brain, from my subconscious mind level, every parts of my body. Now I feel that I don't have a pain in my shoulder. Even my shoulder has say me right now. I'm not paining here after again. My subconscious mind is my boss. He instructed to my shoulder, don't pain hereafter because I have given you solution. So that's it. You use this concept, you use this theory at your home and resolve all your problems. Develop your willpower, develop your subconscious mind. Okay, please take a note. Subconscious mind is more powerful than anything, than your willness, than any motivational inspiration. Okay, any doctor, any medicine, more than any science. Please consider this. Even I can relate these concepts to your current situation of COVID-19. You are just fearing about the corona, just worrying. Don't worry, don't fear. Face it. Okay. We go with the precaution. Have some precautionary measures like given by WHO or your Indian government or any government of your country. So just follow them. Be precautionary. If suppose you have some issue positive about the corona, don't have a fear. Just face it. Be with the important things. Take a proper medicine, improve your immunity. You will recover from that. So not to worry, I am saying, because if you worry, it will make doubles. It will make doubles. Keep in mind, not to worry. So yeah, I have resolved my shoulder pain. So do it at home. Thanks for watching it, and love you all. Bye bye.